Hey friends, welcome back to Finance and Freedom. If you're tired of budget tips that sound like, just stop buying coffee, this one's for you. Today we're breaking down 5 actually smart ways to save money without feeling broke, boring, or burned out. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Save first. Spend what's left. Most people save after they spend, which usually means nothing gets saved. Flip that mindset. As soon as your paycheck lands, automate a percentage, even just 5%, into a separate savings or investment account. Out of sight, out of spend. It could go into your emergency fund, investment portfolio, or a freedom fund for your goals. The key? Make it automatic. Don't rely on willpower. Set up a system. Tip number 2. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. Impulse buying is a sneaky budget killer. That $40 late night Amazon scroll? Yeah, you didn't need that LED toaster. Give it 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow and it fits your budget, go for it. Most of the time, though, the impulse fades and the money stays with you. You'll buy with intention instead of emotion. That's how you stay in control. Tip number 3. Budget for your goals, not just your bills. Most budgets feel restrictive because they're only focused on cutting, but a freedom-focused budget is about funding your future. Break your budget into 3 sections. 1. Must-haves. 2. Fun stuff. 3. Goal-driven savings. Name your savings accounts: Dream Trip, First Property, or Boss Fund. It's easy to say when you're emotionally connected to the outcome. Tip number 4. One in, one out rule. Every time you buy something new, commit to removing one similar item from your life. New shirt? Donate 1. New gadget? Sell or give away 1. This rule keeps your space clean, your spending intentional, and it curbs mindless shopping. Bonus: selling your old stuff can add a few bucks back to your wallet. If you got 3 barely used fitness watches, and you still don't go to the gym, you know what to do. Tip number 5. Track your wins, no matter how small. Saving money can feel invisible if you don't celebrate progress. Create a money tracker. It could be digital or even a paper chart on your fridge. Each time you skip a takeout meal or transfer $50 to savings, mark it down. You're training your brain to love progress. Saving becomes less a chore, more of a challenge, like a game you're winning. Remember, saving money isn't about depriving yourself. It's about freeing yourself. Every smart choice today opens doors tomorrow. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe to Finance and Freedom, and let me know in the comments. What's one smart saving move you're going to try this week? See you in the next one.